Managing your CleverTech account dashboard. From the dashboard, we are able to access our repairs in progress. This will show us pending walk-ins, waiting for parts, pending payments, waiting for approvals. You can also see how many days each work order has been open. From here, you can also approve any work order that is currently on status waiting for approval. You also have access to pay your invoices from the dashboard under payments due. For repair shops working with us, we added an area for you to add multiple users. Under user, you can add employees, and this is so that they can have access to manage work orders. You can manage users from this page as well. To manage the main user account, you can access this by clicking Profile, and this gives you access to change personal details and update any addresses for shipping or pickup, as well as being able to change saved payment methods and change the password of your account. You're also able to access previous payment history, so you can see all the previous payments made and all the invoices completed. Like payment history, you also have access to repair history. This allows you to go through all the previous repairs that you've had with us. We also have a support button on the very top that allows different options for you to get in touch with us if you have any questions or need help. Lastly, we have a Start Repair button. This will allow you to go ahead and start a new repair with us using the Identify tool.